This is the Infinix Note 10. Not to be confused with the Hot 10 that I reviewed just a couple of weeks ago, this is another release from Infinix advertised to have some good gaming capabilities and performance in general. In this video, we're going to take a look at this device and let you know what you expect when you decide to pick one of these up. Hello guys, it's Rickaquaog here and let's get to the video. Before we continue, let me take you through the unboxing experience. First thing you see out of this box is the device. Then, a smaller box which contains the transparent silicone case, an X-Club card and screen protector. All this in a box of a device that costs about 1,000 Ghana cedis. Not just that, you also get a 15 watts charger, an earpiece, and a USB-C cable. This is basically everything that comes in the box. And you're definitely paying less for just everything that comes in the box. So let's get right into it. The design is pretty decent, a plastic build, just as expected for a device in this price category. I have here the black and green design, which I feel the color combination brings the best out of the looks. At the front, you get a massive 6.9 inches display and a considerably smaller bezels and a hole punch selfie camera up top. On the side, you get a volume rocker and fingerprint sensor. The fingerprint sensor is tucked into the power button, which is pretty impressive. One of the nifty features I enjoy having on this device. At the bottom, Infinix adopted the USB Type-C port and still found a way to provide a headphone jack. It also has a dual SIM card tray and dedicated memory card slots on the side. And also a stereo speaker setup for this device. That means whilst consuming data or content on this device, you get sound blasting from the bottom and also from the top. A stereo sounding setup is always appreciated. The setup process took a couple of minutes and I did enroll my fingerprint as it was one of the few features I actually wanted to try right out of the box. Now let's jump right into the display of this device. The display on this device is a 6.95 inches 1080p resolution panel. This of course is an IPS panel and it's pretty decent for the price. It has punchy vibrant colors, good viewing angles and gets bright enough for outdoor use, and if you're a fan of consuming content on this device, this is going to be an okay display for you. This didn't come with a high refresh rate display but has a 180Hz touch sampling rate, which means interacting with the device is also going to be smooth. This leads me to the software experience and performance of this device. This phone comes with a MediaTek Helio G85, comes with Android 11 pre-installed and the XOS 7.6 skin installed. My variant comes with 128GB of storage and 6GB of RAM. I'm going to leave the prices of the other variants on the screen for you. XOS comes with a couple of pre-installed apps, and if it is something you dislike, you can uninstall most of them or install a third-party launcher, as this is also allowed by this phone. The XOS skin on here though feels a bit more refined in terms of interaction with the interface and animation. You also get the ability to extract text from pictures that are taken with this device. Not forgetting the live transcribe feature that comes with this device. It works when you have internet and it does a really good job at it. XOS also comes with some nifty features like App Lock that allows you to lock your individual applications, Xclone as this allows you to easily manage your personal and work accounts on Xclone, Xproof for preventing outsiders from viewing anything you have going on your display. I didn't find the options to use gestures to control this device in the settings, as I've gotten used to using that instead of the navigating buttons that are normally found on the bottom of the screen. The only gestures though that I found was using your 3 fingers to swipe on the screen to take screenshots, which is also cool. For everyday activities, this is going to be fine. Gaming performance was good. Runs pretty well with PUBG and other games, not at the highest settings though, but gets the job done. This is the Geekbench score. And if you game a lot on your device, you'll be happy to know that this comes with a 5000 mAh battery, and depending on your use case scenario, this can easily take you through maybe 2 days on a single charge. Also, this comes with a 15 watts charger in the box, so just in case you drain your battery, this can fully charge in about 2 hours. A charger in the box, all these just for 1,000 Ghana Cedi device. Checking out the cameras at the rear, this comes with a 48 megapixel main sensor, a portrait lens and a macro sensor at the back. At the front, you also get a 16 megapixel selfie camera for your selfies. During my period of usage, these are some footages that I captured with this device. Pictures from the 48 megapixel main sensor is quite decent, colors are good, dynamic range is good as well. Unfortunately, there's no wide angle camera or telephoto camera found on this device. For videos, this is able to shoot at a resolution of 2K, and this is a sample footage.
Okay guys, this is a selfie camera video test on the Infinix Note 10. This is actually shooting in 2K, so I want to know what you think about the footage. This is coming from the selfie camera, so if you're vlogging and looking at yourself, this is what you're going to expect. Let's actually check the dynamic range found on this. Okay, the cloud seems to be in focus. I can see the blue skies and all. Not bad. For a sub 1,000 Ghana Cedi device, this is what you expect. So let me know what you think about the footage from the selfie camera. Let's try out the main camera too. Let's see how that looks like. Okay, so this is me also shooting on the main sensor on the Infinix Note 10. Let me know what you think about the colors, the skin tone. This is also shooting in 2K, so it should be good. I can actually see myself, so I hope I'm actually framed well. Let's move to the bright side and see if we can also get some good details in the clouds. I can't really see how it looks, so I have to check this out on the PC later. So let me know what you think about it. Is there good dynamic range? How do I sound? Let's head back to the shade and finish this off. So this is what to expect when you decide to pick up the Infinix Note 10. Let's get interactive in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this footage you're looking at right now.
So in general, for the cameras of this device, this produces some really decent pictures in good lights and conditions. Maybe it might not be consistent sometimes, but for the price, this is what you're going to get. Coming back around to some other features that I might not have mentioned earlier, the fingerprint sensor found on this device has been great, and I also like the charging indicator, which also serves as a flashlight when taking selfies on this device at night. All in all, this has been a really decent device. Like I said, for the price range of 1,000 Ghana Cedi, this is quite expected. A 5,000 mAh battery, very good performance, decent cameras, a huge screen for all your daily activities. This is a device that you should consider getting if you don't want to break the bank. Hopefully in the future we're going to see a Super AMOLED display on this, and maybe a telephoto and wide angle camera on this too in the future. But in general, this is a decent device, and if you're thinking about picking this up, this is good to go for performance, for battery and general usage. This brings us to the end of this review. If you're new to this channel, of course, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Leave in the comment sections your view, comments or anything you think about this device. If you have any questions, I'm going to help you sort it out, and I'll see you in my next upload. Peace, I'm out.